Python is an easy-to-learn yet very powerful programming language that uses simple syntax. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991, and has been continuously getting better since then. Python is used in scientific computing, artificial intelligence, data science, and many other areas. As such, it's become the standard for CS 100 courses at major universities, and having fluency in Python really helps in the application process. In this course, students build a video game using native Python. We start by reviewing basic CS concepts and their expression in Python, and then, in later units, add the functionality that we need to build our game. Quizzes and coding exercises reinforce learning and measure retention. We cover lists, operators, classes, and objects, functions, variables, conditional statements, game design, libraries, image management, and sound. It's a lot. We use the py.game library to build our game. Now, is this the right course for you? Are you at least 12 years of age, and do you have solid math skills? Have you completed the UCode Coding Python Game Basics course? Are you serious about learning Python? If you answered yes, then this is the course for you. If you're not sure, please schedule a consultation with an academic director or sign up for a trial class where an instructor will get you started.